Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to optimize your Squarespace website for mobile. So if you're looking for it, let's get started. First, start by logging into your Squarespace account through your browser. Once you're in, open the site you want to work on and head into the editor. On the top right corner, you will notice a phone icon. Click on it to switch to mobile preview mode. This gives you a live look at how your site appears on a mobile device. Now it's time to fine tune. Check your layout. Is everything spaced out well? Is the text easy to read? On smaller screens, simplicity is key. So make sure your design feels clean, not cluttered. Look at your images. If they seem too large or are taking too long to load, consider resizing or compressing them. A faster loading page makes for a much better mobile experience. Next, try tapping your buttons and links in preview mode. This should be easy to press without zooming or pinching. If they feel too small or too close together, adjust the spacing or size until everything feels just right. Don't forget to scroll through your entire site. Some sections that look great in the default layout might not translate as well to mobile. In those cases, you can hide or rearrange content just for mobile views using the built in tools. So that's how you can optimize your Squarespace website for mobile. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in another video.